This is one of a series of short videos on Penn Inn in Newton Abbot. This video covers the road ahead route from Milber to Totnes. One thing you will notice from this side of the roundabout is there is only one sign and not much help with the road markings. So you do need to understand how the roundabout works where you're going the other side of the roundabout to position correctly on this side. So as we approach the roundabout, there are two lanes, both of which go ahead. We're going towards Totnes, so we will position into the left-hand lane. Once you get to the other side of the roundabout, this left-hand lane will turn left towards Sainsbury's, McDonald's and Decoy area, and will go ahead up towards Asda and on towards Totnes. So do be aware of the yellow box here, making sure we keep that one clear. And we've got another yellow box just ahead of us at the lights there. So as we go across this roundabout, we do need to be aware that the left-hand lane is very narrow. The bus ahead of us will not stay within the lane, it's too big. So we need to make sure we position well over to the left and focus on our own position and not get caught up with what the bus ahead of us is doing. So we're just moving off here. We need to keep the white line to our right. So you'll see there's a left turn here towards Torquay. We're just going to keep going on ahead, keeping well over to the left. The car ahead of us here is edging to the right there. It's going to cut across the line. We need to keep over and then we're in the correct position. So I hope you found that useful. Thanks for watching. Why not check out some of my other videos, and if you like them, subscribe.